2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, remote engine start, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.